श्रम शक्ति विद्या निकेतन इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल मालदड़ ऑनलाइन classes. Myself Apeksha Deshmukh. Today I am going to start 6th standards English subject. In previous lecture we see first poem, Don't Give Up, and in this poem we learn don't give up. Don't give up means never stop trying. So student, today I am going to start English subject unit 1, 1.2, who's the greatest. This is our second lesson. Okay student, who's the greatest? Who's the greatest means who is the best. Students, you know very well Akbar and Birbal stories. We also like the stories. You like Akbar and Birbal stories? Yes, I know you love and like Akbar and Birbal stories. So today we are going to start Akbar and Birbal story. Who's the greatest? So now I read this story. So you listen and read carefully. Who's the greatest? Emperor Akbar or Akbar the Great is known as one of the greatest rulers in the world. So, why Emperor Akbar was greatest rulers in the world? Not just because he had a vast empire. Vast empire means a big empire. Vast means spread out far and wide, means a huge kingdom. So Emperor Akbar is not famous for his vast empire, or not a very strong army, or untold wealth. Untold wealth means a lot of wealth. So Emperor Akbar is greatest ruler because he was a good human being. He cared means he really loved for his subjects. Subjects means the people of his kingdom. Means the Emperor Akbar is greatest ruler because he was a good human being, and also he loved so much to his people. He had great respect for scholars, writers, poets and artists belonging to different religions. So scholars means, who are scholars? Scholars means great learned people. So Emperor Akbar was respected all scholars, writers, poets and artists. So what is the meaning of artists? Artists means the people who are great in dancing, painting, singing. So such people are called artists. So Emperor Akbar had great respect for all kind of people, even they belonging to different religions. He did not say that you are different religious, so I will not like you. So he loved everybody and respect all religious people. So next line, he was a patron of art and culture. So patron of art and culture means a person who respect, who appreciate to artists. Means Emperor Akbar would give to artists gifts, money, jewelry, or maybe at that time, old time, it's also called Jahagir. So Emperor Akbar was patron of art and culture. The 9 gems or Navratnas in his court were famous. 9 gems means 9 people who are very good in their profession. Means some are famous in singing, some are famous in painting. So he had give them title Navratnas. So Emperor Akbar give them a title Navratnas. Many people believe that of these 9 gems, Birbal was the closest to the emperor's heart. So, what is mean of closest to the emperor's heart? Means closest to the emperor's heart means he loved him very much. He loved him very much to other people. So why Birbal very closest to emperor's heart? Let's see it. Akbar loved to pose interesting questions or problems in his court, and Birbal never failed to come up with an equally interesting answer. So Akbar loved to pose. To pose means to ask. Akbar loved to always Emperor Akbar is asked to some question in his court, and Birbal never fail. Never fail means Birbal always ready to answering questions. So let's see next paragraph. We don't know whether all the Akbar and Birbal stories that we hear today have any basis in history. Have any basis history means, student, you know, there are thousands and thousands stories written about Akbar and Birbal, but nobody knows these stories are really true. We don't know. We only hear these stories. They have been handed down over generations, mainly by word of mouth. Generations means from father to the children, and when they grow up, from them to their children. So like these stories are only handed down by word of mouth, means these stories are not written. These stories are only told one person to another person. Here are two of them. So now in next paragraph we see the story. One day the emperor entered the court with a very serious expression on his face. So serious expression means our facial expression. Means sometimes in our face is happy face, smiling face, sad face. So this is also called facial expression. So one day Emperor Akbar's is very serious expression. As soon as he was seated, he said, I have a questions for all of you. What should be the punishment for someone who pulls my mustache? So, mustache means mishy. So, Emperor Akbar questioned in court, who pulls my mustache? What should be the punishment? The court was stunned. Stunned means shock or surprise. All court was stunned. Court means who are the present in the court at that day. It also calls a court, means all people are surprised. Pulls the emperor's mustache? It was unheard of. So all courtiers, all court was stunned, surprised. One nobleman said, flog him, give him 50 lashes of the whip, exclaimed one nobleman. Exclaim means said, means all courtiers think, who dare to do, who will have courage to go and pull the empire mustache. So people say, flog him, give him 50 lashes of the whip. Flog him means beating with stick. So the court said, flog him, give him 50 lashes, means punish him. Another person said, that's not enough. Put him in jail without food and water, said another. Whip him, beat him up, hang him, cut off his offending hands. The agitated courtiers began to cry out. Cry out means shout out, shout out. So why was they say like this? Because who dare to pull up the emperor's mustache? So the courtiers are very angry. Agitate means very angry, and they said, put him in jail or whip him, beat him up, hang him, and cut off his offending hands. So offending means the hands are that are done this act of pulling the mustache. Act means offending act means nobody likes this act, means wrong act. That is called offending acts. So all courtiers are agitated. Agitated means very angry. Means people who are present in court, it's called courtiers. So all courtiers are agitated, means very angry, and they began to cry out, means shout out. They began to shout out, whip him, beat him up, who do this wrong act. Only Birbal was silent. He was even smiling a little, and only Birbal was silent. He did not shout out or cried. He only silent and evening, so even smiling a little on his face. What do you say, Birbal? What is your opinion? Emperor Akbar was asking. So Birbal said, in my opinion, O giver of peace to the world, the offender should be given his favorite sweetmeats. In my opinion, O giver of peace to the world. O giver means this is said to Emperor Akbar, because Emperor Akbar was love to all people, and he give peace to the all people. So Birbal called to him, O giver of peace to the world, the offender. Offender means who do this wrong act. Wrong act means who pull up the mustache of Emperor Akbar should be given his favorite sweetmeat. Sweetmeat means sweet dish, or it also called mithai. So give him sweetmeats. Raja Birbal, are you out of your mind? Means, are you gone mad? Are out of your mind? Give sweetmeats for such a grave offense. Grave means serious offense, serious act. Give him some mithai for such this act. The courtiers began to say. Birbal smiled and offer an explanation, and Birbal give then explanation. Yes, who will be so bold as to pull the emperor's mustache? Only his own grandson. Grandson means a small child. Only this pull up the mustache, this there, only a small child. So give him a sweetmeat. When Akbar heard this, he burst out of laughing. Burst out of laughing means laugh loudly, because that is exactly what had happened in the morning. Means only Birbal knows this wrong act, means this pull of the mustache of Emperor Akbar was doing his grandson. So he said to give him sweet meat or sweet mithai. So this is happening in the morning, only Birbal know. So he say give him sweet meat, and Akbar was burst out of laughing. Okay, student. Okay, student. In this story, we see this difficult word. First is vast. Vast means big. Untold means a lot of. And subject means people. Mustache means mischief. Flog means beat someone hard. And stern means shock. Okay. So agitated means angry. Cry out means shout out. Giver means one who give peace to the world. the